So in this video I'm going to show you a tool I've made myself for installing these spring clips. These spring clips hold the brake shoes to the backing plate. So as you can see, it's a cylindrical type object with a slot cut through the middle, and this is exactly how it works. You can see the spring there, and it slots in and it holds it in place. So now we'll show you how to use this tool. We put the brake shoe in place, get the tool with the spring clip attached to it, push it in and twist, and that's going to hold it in. It's obviously a little bit difficult doing it with one hand. If you weren't recording a video, one hand would be used to hold one of the brake shoes and the other hand would be used to use the tool to insert the spring clip. So here all the spring clips have been installed and both brake shoes are in place, and this is the adjuster for the tension. Just showing you with the disc off so you can see what happens when you see the screwdriver going in and being pulled up and down. So that way it's to slacken, the other way was to tighten. And yep, I know the disc is not in great condition, and don't worry, we're not going to be using this when the vehicle's done. This is purely for illustrative purposes. Now we just locate the adjuster with the light. I'm just going to rotate it until it's in position, and then we're going to get our screwdriver. It's always a flathead, by the way, and we're going to start tightening the adjuster so that will open up, it will expand, and then the brake shoes will start touching the disc inside. Now you want to keep on tightening it until it grabs it like this, and then we're going to slack it off by approximately 7 turns. As you can see here, I'm going to count 7, and that is exactly where you want it. That's what the Mercedes factory manual calls for on these W124 cars, and it's the method I've been using for pretty much 90% of all vehicles.